Hey guys, welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, we will be making a Barbie pencil case for this back to school. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and like the DIY. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't be missing any of the future or following videos. And now let's go on to the video. Alright guys, so to start with this DIY, you will need to download this template, which is available on my website for you to download. So I will be leaving the link in the description box so it's easier. Once you download it, you will be able to make it bigger or smaller depending on how big or how small you want your pencil case to be. Once printed, cut around the template as well as inside the pink box. Then place your template on top of a pink paper and using a pink marker, trace around it. Use a mechanical pencil without lead and a ruler to trace all of the gray lines. These lines will be our folding lines. So basically, we will be folding these to build our pencil case. Then remove your template and you will be able to see these lines. Then go ahead and cut your paper and you will be able to start folding these sections to the front and to the back. Remember that we made these invisible folding lines using the mechanical pencil without lead and the ruler. Remember this white rectangle? This is actually the first thing we cut. So go ahead and trace it and cut it on an acetate or acrylic sheet. Then using hot glue, go ahead and hot glue it to the back of your pink pencil case template. The back side of your pink pencil case template is actually the inside of your pencil case. Also make sure not to leave any single section without hot glue. Once you're done with this step, go ahead and start building your pencil case. So start off with adding some hot glue to this small section, then glue it all together and do the same thing with the other side. So basically just repeat the same steps. Finally, glue the last section. This step you have to do it super fast so the hot glue doesn't cool off. Now here is where you get to decorate your pencil case, so you can use stickers, drawings, glitter, rhinestones, diamonds, etc. Since I want my pencil case to be a Barbie box, I added Barbie on the bottom and Mattel on the top. Finally, fill it with all the school supplies you want. In my case, I filled it with highlighters, pencils, pens, and markers, everything in pink. And this is how the pencil case ended up looking. It's super easy, super cute, and super fast. Using this pencil case template, you can make many pencil cases to sell. Plus, you can also change the theme from Barbie to Batman, Paw Patrol, Ninja Turtles, etc. Alright guys, and this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to invite you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't be missing any of the future or following videos. And I also want to invite you guys to share this video so more and more people can do this DIY or watch the DIY and see the Barbie pencil case. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching once again and see you on the following video. Bye guys!